Find features that differentiate it from other brands for KVZOO, 4K HDMI extender over Ethernet. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Extend HDMI signals up to 230 feet with zero loss. 4K HDMI extender transmit crystal clear 4K at 30 Hz or 1080p Full HD video via Cat5, 5e, 6, 6a, 7, Ethernet cables over distances up to 130 to 230 feet. Enjoy flawless HDMI over Ethernet connectivity for gaming consoles, Blu-ray players, and media streamers, perfect for home theaters or office setups with no signal degradation. Note: the HDMI 1.4 protocol does not support native HDR, this is not a product defect. Ultra HD 4K at 30 Hz and Full HD 1080p with EDID optimization. HDMI extender deliver vibrant 4K at 30 Hz or 1080p at 60 Hz resolution using efficient compression for minimal quality loss. EDID copy functionality ensures automatic device recognition, supporting PCM 7.1, Dolby True HD, and DTS HD audio. Compatible with HDMI over Ethernet cables Cat5, 5e, 6, 6a, 7 for seamless integration. Tips: for optimal image quality, it is recommended to use high-quality Cat6, 6a, 7 network cables. Loop out and IR remote control for ultimate flexibility. Our 4K HDMI over Ethernet extender utilizes the HDMI loop out port on the transmitter for local content monitoring. Control devices seamlessly from another room with included IR cables, adjust volume, switch channels, or manage playback without direct access to your source. Supports EDID management for plug-and-play compatibility. POC technology, single power simplified installation. 4K HDMI to Ethernet adapter power both transmitter and receiver with just one adapter using power over cable or POC technology. Eliminate extra wiring clutter and enjoy easy installation, ideal for conference rooms, digital signage, or multi-room setups. Dual voltage design with US plug included for global use. Complete kit for effortless setup and reliable performance. Ethernet to HDMI adapter includes HDMI transmitter/receiver, IR cables, DC power adapters, and user manual. Designed with mounting holes for secure, tool-free installation in gyms, bars, or classrooms. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.